So this is peeling the kept the almonds overnight. Peeling this so that you have it very good. So peeling these almonds, soaked it overnight so that its best benefits comes when you soak it overnight. So every morning having it on an empty stomach. Hello guys. So yeah, the soaked almonds are very healthy when it comes to digestion process. It eases the digestion process, helps in increases enzyme activity, and helps in absorbing the nutrients very soon. So you soak the almond overnight, peel the skin and have it. It also reduces body heat. So very helpful. Try it. This is Sabut Moong ka chila. See who's here. Always my sweetheart. He gave you all a kiss, huh? So something just planned up, heading there. Surprise! I'll let you guys know on the way. Hello guys, small surprise coming your way. Heading to a small place over the weekend. I'm sure you guys will know now on the way when I sit in the car and head out. Take care. Sabji, roti and dal. All set to go. I'll tell you where on the way. Just clean the glass. Thanks to Kamal, he cleaned entire car again. So Odin boy is set. So just need to go get out now. That's it. Beautiful. Heading towards Hassan. I'll tell you from there where I'm heading to. Came to Shell petrol bunk, Banarghatta Road. Just filled fuel now. Again another full tank done. I think that is around 51 liter, 52 liters. So tank is full, stomach is full. Time to go. Time is 2:36. So estimated time of I'll tell you where I'm going. Till no. Hello guys, waiting to get the air filled. So I'll tell you where I'm going finally. I was just scrolling through statuses in the morning, WhatsApp. One of my friend Kiran, if you're watching, he had gone towards Mudigere, and there's this cafe which he went to. So there was this tender coconut souffle. So I was like, where is this? And he told me the location. I just checked the maps. I was like, okay, I think we should go there. And then the cafe looked damn nice. So main intention is to hit the cafe. Since it's going to take 4 plus hours and it's going to rain, I'm staying in Guddadamane homestay, which is a pretty famous homestay there. Decent food, good accommodation. So yeah, today's plan is travel to Malnad side. So yeah, another part of Western Ghats that you'll be seeing. So we started from Kerala, Sirsi, and now Malnad. Finally, fuel done, air check done. Superb. Air was like just 32. Just checked it. After the last trip of 1500, it's just gone to PSI. So it's awesome. So yeah, done. Fastag rocks. Now the highway starts. So again, this route is from Bengaluru, obviously, nice road, and Elmangla. Say we have to take a left to Mangalore highway. Head towards Kunigal, Chennai Patna, Hassan. Hassan say you have to take a right towards Belur and Halebid. But Belur you have to reach and take a left towards Mudigere. So this technically comes in Mudigere Taluk of Chikmagalur district. So yeah, Guddadamane comes there, and this Grover's Coffee Limited is near Mudigere. So wish us luck guys. I'm sure you'll be watching it tomorrow. Anyways, finally exited the nice road. For weird reasons, there was too much of truck traffic. Where are these truckers going? Hitlandis. Anyways, people who know what that means. Restupur Road. This cop is trying to catch the trucks. And there is something here. What is this? Oh, someone is selling something. Damn. Look like someone's wearing something. Back to my Oakley shades. So yeah, random outing. I told you know, I just saw that cafe and I was like, I want to go there. That's it. Just sat and just started. Then obviously can't drive back because of the rains. I can, but it will be a risk. But I'll stay there, explore a few places there also. Let's see where we can go tomorrow, day after. Nothing as such planned. Just chilling. So like my mood is not right at all. I just like that's why I saw that I thought just need an outing and I'm just getting out because of whatever happened, whatever my mom has done. Yeah, very bad. Still not in a mood to even let's see how the thing is gonna change or my mood or whatever. But mistake is a mistake. Disappointment is a disappointment. Cannot redo it again. See. Anyways, you guys enjoy the road. Finally on the Bangalore highway, and look at the rain clouds awaiting us, and it's already drizzling a little bit. Anyways, yeah, traffic seems pretty decent, not much. This is the starting of the highway now. You're going to get the toll now in another 2 kilometers. Post that it is just zoom. Anyways, you guys enjoy the location. Have a beautiful weekend ahead. Cheers. So it was raining all this while. It just stopped now. Harsha and the boys just called. Apparently they are going to Yerkad on a bike ride. So they were like, they wanted to call me. I was like, I'm already on a small road trip of my own. So yeah, the boys will be going to Yerkad tomorrow, and I am going towards Budigere. So yeah, good, peaceful weather. Feel better, not great. Anyways, enjoy. It's like majboori, guys. Majboori makes them do all this. Look at them sitting here. Hello guys, dekho. Maruti 800. I am currently at 110. Pasting it. Boy, watch out. Nice. It's like this Isha Foundation wala Shivji here. Very nice. Don't know about the restaurant there. Anyways, if you can see ahead, it's raining there and it's dry here. It's gonna pound now soon. And yes, here it goes. Right now, I think we crossed Kunigal. Next is Edur and then Vellore Cross and then Chandrapatna. MTR! Finally off the highway into not this place, Navishka Foods it seems. I want my coffee day. Navishka Foods, who wants to go? Mr. Navishka, I don't want to come there. Joking, just joking. Here also, not able to forget these. There's one cutie and one more cutie. Hello, cutie. What's up? How are you? Hello. Hello guys, came to Cafe Coffee Day. As I told you, got some hot Americano. Wasn't sleepy, needed the kick. Didn't know that we were going for a drive, otherwise I would have had in the morning. Anyways, saw two cuties. I'm sure you would have seen it by now. I had previously orange cat. This is a male orange cat. Oh, epic! It'll be good company for Belle. Damn it. Let's see how universe connects. I've been missing Aura. You will not believe, since the time she's gone, been seeing on TV, anywhere I'm seeing cats. On my reels I'm seeing cats. And this is Heights. I came here and stopped at a cafe, Coffee Day. That's where I'm on a highway, if you guys can see. And right at the door, I find two cute little kittens. There is it. It's having milk there, you can see. This, yeah, clear now. Guess where? Oh, finally, left from Coffee Day. Had a nice coffee. Met the two little kittens. I named them ginger to be ginger. Other one with beautiful eyes. I couldn't show it to you guys. I think it's come in the shot. I think you guys have seen it. Named it Sholin. So yeah, cheap thrills. But anyways, I felt so good looking at them. Seriously, early man. Or I'll come back soon. Anyways, look at the clouds. Wow, it's all moving towards Murigere. Another few more I think. 70 left to Hassan, which I'll cover another 20-30 minutes. Now there's one Sai Mandir that's going to come up on the left side. Huge. This is superb. Woohoo! Sunlight and dark clouds. What a combo. Hello guys, reached Hassan. Time is around 5:40. So good 2.5-3 hours with the break at Coffee Day we reached here. Yahan se we have to take a right. So you cross most of the Hassan and you get to the last right at this place called Tanniru Halla. Remember that? Because you take a right there, you directly exit Hassan. You go head towards Belur. Anyways, enjoy the rains. Hello guys. Trying to find an ATM, not finding it. Needed some amount of cash. It's a Muthoot Finance and all. Not able to find here. But exiting Hassan now. Stupid move. Don't think I'll need. I have some amount of cash. It's a sudden plan, no? एकदम से plan बन गया, निकल गए. देखना पड़ेगा अभी. Fingers crossed. Guys, time is around 6 o'clock. This road was fantastic, Hassan to Belur. But oh god, thanks to the rains, shitloads of potholes. So if you guys are heading this way or heading this side anytime, watch out for potholes. Don't just go driving or riding fast in it. Because there was a pothole, I think it was as deep as Mariana Trench. So it's like I went down, had to rappel myself up. So it was that bad. So I look good. I was in low speed. It's like a car was going. I was like, wow. So just watch out for potholes and go as slow as possible. Can't risk it, Anyways, enjoy Mari. Talking about these potholes, see, you can see here. Like this. See, this. I'm sure I'll enter Patal Lok and come back. Hello! Oh, I came back up. Wasn't that deep, but yeah. Too much of exaggeration, but it is bad, so watch out. Look at those windmills there straight ahead. You can see behind the hill. Anyways, the cafe is 50 minutes away. This is another lake. Wow, beautiful. It's on the way to again Belur, Chikmagalur and all that. This, you can see the windmills on the hilltop as well. Damn nice. One guy is very, urgent mode. So there's full kheti badi here, farming and all that. I don't know what crop that is. Looks like corn because they were selling a lot of corn. It's taking a while, guess. I don't know. Green. It's like I've been seeing green since June 7th, since my Uti trip. Tidip. This Adivasi hair oil again, but I don't think this is not this is from Belur Road. This is not once which you get near Hunsur, which has become famous. Here also, they have left their hair and all and shown. I don't know how valid this is or something. So she's trying to sell the oil. This place you get it here. It's still after Kalkere. Look at this urban hair oil. This is the ride to Halebeedu. Straight is Belur. So you go to Halebeedu first. You come from that side to Belur. So Halebeedu and then Belur. Beautiful temples. I'm sure most of you know it. If I get a chance while coming, I can show it to you guys. But again, there's an if in between. So depends. There's nothing planned. So whatever I show you, let's see how it goes. Reached the temple town of Belur. Straight if you go from here is Chikmagalur, you can see it. And we have to take a left towards Mudigere. And where we are staying is this Guddadamane homestay. Very old, nice, rustic place. Hopefully it stands up to its hype. This is the left to Belur temple. Straight you go to Mudigere. So when you guys want to head to the temple, this is the one. This is the bus stand, Belur bus stand. Finally here. Very nice, cute little place. Let's see who it is. Mr. Kiran, I reached. Finally at Crowers. Came for this only. Look at hear the sound around. Coffee estates around, surrounded by it. Yes, listen to the sound. We have cicadas here, like filled with coffee estates. So this is it. Heading inside. We'll be there, Odin. Show it around, see, and listen to the cicadas. So this is the menu here. You have Chinese, you have what else? Oh, in the Binigin. Oh, it's like this. It goes like this. You have Thanda item. What's it? Tindi items. Okay. Isri baat, all that. See timings. It says so. 7:30, 11:30, 6:30, 5:30. You have dosa. I think we reached on time. South Indian meals, juice, cold coffee. I don't think you get the authentic coffee here. We should try later. Let's see. Chinese starters, main course. Just order noodles and the souffle. Let's see. So this is the tender coconut souffle, for which I came here. Hope it's worth it. For coffee powder, spices, everything, butterfruit. Adi, your favorite? Fruit, honey. Alright. Got a call from the homestay. They said reach quick because when the power cuts are there, roads can't be seen. It's not raining, so you need to escape soon. So, yeah. So this is the road. Just got a call. I want to tell you that I forgot. Come early because if the light goes off, the roads can't be seen if it rains too much. So why take a risk? So I just parceled the noodles. Apparently, just had a taste. It's not that great. Tender coconut souffle was okay, good. But yeah, hopefully the homestay is decent. And rainy season, no. Insects are a problem, but let's see. I was supposed to come from Chikmagalur side apparently, and the road showed this. So yeah, while going, probably I'll come over Chikmagalur. Let's see. Absolutely dark everywhere. No street lights, nothing. Obviously, why will it be there? So without high beam, it's difficult. But always make sure person coming in the opposite direction is able to see. Don't blind him. Switch on the high beam. Yeah. It's raining all the way, making the visibility even more tricky. Good for someone experienced, but someone new, please don't come in the night. Avoid coming at night. See to it that you reach in daylight. I'm not that far away, but still. So guys, we reached finally another adventure. And this is the room, so standard room, and that's the toilet. So yeah, peaceful, and this pic looks creepy. I mean, you can't see it, but yeah. Anyways, there's no power. I mean, there's no power on the way at all. Lucky didn't have rains. So yeah, that's the room tour. So power is fluctuating here and there, here and there. Time is 8:30. So just told them to give food by around 8:45, 9. Eat good food and rest today. Tomorrow also just explore the property. It's called Guddada Mane Homestay. Most of you would have heard it's a famous place. So fingers crossed, hopefully food is good. Rooms are decent. Yeah, anyways, for another night, that's it, right? So let's see what we can explore tomorrow. So this is the food. This is aloo fry. This is egg curry. This is palau. This is egg curry. Sweet. Hello guys, done with the day. Had the homestay. No, this is so decent homemade kind of food. So ate that. Had a small spread. Peaceful, nice, good taste, decent. Post that. I want to sleep now. Watch Big Boss. Chilling. It's raining here, and you guys can hear outside. It's raining. It's in between a coffee estate. Morning, I'll show you a proper tour. So yeah, guys. Also, I wanted to tell you guys about a few things. In my previous video, I think I had mentioned about what mom had done with me by giving the cat away. Whatever it is, it's between my mom and me. So whatever happens in my life is what I'm going to show it to you guys, and whatever I feel is what I'm going to share it with you guys. And however, whatever is the issue, it's between mom and me, and it's what is happening in my house. So whatever I say, it's for I haven't abused anyone or any scolded any person. It's my mom and me. We keep having these issues at home, and it's better I deal it my way, she deals it with her way. It's no big deal for us. So yeah, I thought I shared it with you. That's it. It doesn't mean I have some sort of a vengeance, I have some sort of a hatred towards my mom. It's nothing like that. If I'm her son, she is my mom. This is my family matter, and we'll deal with it in a perfect way. Time heals everything. So I just shared it with you guys. So I hope none of you are affected by it. I know only certain mature people only understand the situation, and a lot of immaturity. It seems immature people don't understand. So without knowing the head and tail of it, it's better we don't comment on things, you know. So let me handle the things on my own, which I've been handling from so many years. So yeah, that's about it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for everything, for all the support, for all the lovely messages. It means a lot. So yeah, since the time left in the afternoon, reached here by around 8 o'clock. The last stretch of the hour was adventurous, as always. No light. It's like coming through a dark patch of road, and finally reached the property. And as always, it's like super secluded, and it's absolutely perfect for me. So nice solo trip, peaceful, it's a nice change of mind, and I can show you guys, the place also. It's a beautiful drive. It was around 287 kilometers. This is in Aldur, near Chikmagalur. I should have come over Chikmagalur, but for the cafe I went towards Mudigere, and I came from that shortcut, not shortcut, from that route. But yeah, overall, amazing experience. And probably, I don't know where I'll go tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. Whoever hasn't subscribed, please subscribe, Madi, share, Madi, watch, Madi, like, Madi. Take care, guys. Good night from Mudigere.